How to get $200 DoorDash promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will see the search box. Type in DoorDash.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of DoorDash. Now you can log into your account, make your order. In the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, you will need to type in the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But how can you get DoorDash promo code? For that, open a new tab, then type in DoorDash promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for DoorDash. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to use this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 60% coupon, 40% coupon, 20% coupon, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on Show Coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it. Then click on View Discount at DoorDash. You will be directed to the login page. Now you can log into your account, confirm your order, and while you proceed to checkout, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and just for that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also go to this website, as this website will also provide a working promo code for DoorDash. Well, this way you can easily get up to $200 DoorDash promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.